Okay, I don't know if I made a video on this before. It's been gone for quite a while. I just got it back. So this is a Whirlpool. I don't remember the year. Let's see, there's a sticker in here. It's model ACM 102X10. It's a 10,000 BTU. Here we go. Date is 0600, so that's either 2006. That wouldn't work because it wouldn't be the 0th month of 2006, so it's got to be the 6th month of 2000, right? I don't know. Anyway, this one's kind of, it was in a lot better shape before I loaned it to somebody. Anyway, I cleaned this thing out. It's been about maybe 2 years. And it's gotten really dirty in those 2 years. And now she said, a lady who was living in the area that this air conditioner was in, who was not here before, is afraid of this air conditioner. She removed it from the window herself. And I don't know if these vents were screwed up. I don't know if she did it or the klutz that had it before did. Someone screwed those up. And I'm pretty sure she cracked this. Anyway, like I mentioned, this thing was clean. These coils were not bent. Definitely didn't have rust on it like that, but it was sitting in a window, so I can't blame them for that. Back is clogged up. Okay, now let me explain why she was afraid of it. She said, it works great, but it's leaking Freon. I said, what leads you to believe it's leaking Freon? She said, well, I could tell because when it was on, there was vapor coming. It was coming out of the vent. I said, if it was leaking Freon, you would know it and it would not be cooling anymore. She said, no, it's leaking Freon. I can see it come out. So what I imagine happened is maybe there's some vapor coming out because it's cold. I don't know. But I suspect that there's probably nothing wrong with it, since she did say it was still cooling. So I'm going to have to slide it over some. And this little wimpy table is kind of sketchy. I don't really trust it. Let me... Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, power is off. This is a Matsushita rotary compressor and a Emerson fan, I'm pretty sure. Can't tell. Alright, let's put it on fan only. There's only one fan speed. Nothing. Seriously? Okay. Let me go check the GFCI in here. I hate this damn thing. It's always cutting shit out. GFCI is not tripped. Okay. Let me get my plug testerizer. Where is my plug testerizer? Oh man. Okay, I found the plug testerizer. Outlet testerizer, I should say. Let's see if the outlet's working. I can't believe it's completely dead. It was not before. Outlet's hot. Is the cord maybe gotten screwed up somehow? I know it wasn't completely dead before. It's not a run cap. I'm not hearing any This has got one of those weird plastic switches. Let me pause the video. Okay, so like I said, they said it was working. Last time I saw it was working. But I'm looking back in here, if I can get the camera back in here. And if you look, see that? It's hard to see. That terminal on that capacitor is melted. And this, geez, I can't get the camera in there for the life of me. See that? Focus, please. It's melted. So I'm going to pull that cap out and we're going to see what the hell's happened here. Because I don't know. Okay, so I think I found the issue. This is the neutral wire, which is supposed to be going to one of these. And that's it right there. I don't know how this wasn't noticed. I don't know if possibly this was maybe hanging on by a thread before I moved it. I don't know if this cap is bad. I have to test that, but I'm going to remove it and see what I can do about this. I have to get a new end or a new cord or something. Because, you know, it uses those crimp-ons. Anyway, I guess we'll see. But that's interesting, especially for a unit that was working. But now we can see that it is indeed a Matsushita rotary as far as the compressor goes. And this thing is full of crap. You know, walnuts and... I mean, just all sorts of gross crap in there. But it doesn't seem to have affected it too badly. It's got a bit of rust on the bottom of the condenser thing there, but it's not bad. So I think this is our issue. I don't know what the vapors coming out of it were, but I think they might have been imagined. Hell, it could have just been smoke from this burning up. I really don't know. Okay, well, let's see what I can do about that. Okay, so here's what was left of the terminal. I don't know if the capacitor was bad. We'll see. I've crudely shoved this underneath another one of those terminals just to get a connection to test it. Obviously, I will be fixing that, and the capacitor, I believe, has been damaged because, well, I mean, the terminal's a bit loose. Anyway, I guess let's see. Ooh. Okay, fan only works. Moves a lot of air. That sounds fine. Sure. Getting cold. So, either the vapor that she saw was smoke, or it was just really cold. It's definitely getting cold, the coil is. I don't remember the compressor sounding that angry. But, I don't know. See, it's generating heat and cold. Anyway, this is supposed to be a 30 plus 5. So I'm gonna go see if I got another one of those. Because the terminal on there is loose, and it's one of those plastic capacitors that are known for having problems out of those Whirlpool units. So let's see what I got. 25 and 10. This is a 25 and 5. That's pretty close. I think that'll work. A 25 and 5. I don't know. I'll test the other one. I'll test the other one. That's what we'll do first. Because I guess if it still measures good, then having the exact one is better. I'm hoping that compressor will quiet down. It's getting more angry sounding. I'm hoping it gets less angry sounding. It's blowing cold. It's getting a bit of frost on the coil, putting out heat. Mind you, it is only like 52 degrees out here, so I don't know. Interesting way they have this compressor mounted down. That was on low cool, I guess. That's high cool. Definitely cold. The coils are cold all the way to the top. This functioning as intended. I'm just a bit confused on that. That compressor definitely is rototubulating. It's making some weird noises though. It is a Matsushita. I don't like how this is held in there. Anyway, I guess we'll clean this at some point because it's dirty. Hoping that frost goes away, but being like below 60 out here, I don't think it will. I'll let it run a while, and if anything pops back up, I'll let you know. Okay, this thing is exhibiting some really weird behavior I want you to see. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And of course, it's not going to do it. There it goes, look. It's turned off. It's unplugged. It's like the pressure's still rotating the compressor. I don't know. But I've never seen anything like that in my life. That is weird.